To permanently plug the blown-out well are back on schedule. BP's new CEO, Bob Dudley, says the company is committed to cleaning up the Gulf oil spill for as long as it takes. 11 workers died when the rig exploded on April 20th. Since then, more than 180 million gallons of oil gushed into the Gulf of Mexico, though the true exact amount may never be known. The amount of oil seen on the surface, though, is diminishing faster than many people expected. As Carson Chambers reports, that doesn't mean it has disappeared entirely.
There's a noticeable difference between satellite images of the Gulf oil spill captured a month and a half ago and the image from 1 day ago.
Today, we're expecting even smaller surface size.
The black lines outline the spill in mid-June at the spill's maximum size, when it had bloated to 15 times the size of Lake Okeechobee. Now the black lines have shrunk back to the approximate size of Lake O.
It evaporated. It got eaten by bacteria, consumed. It got weathered.
The satellite images shared by NASA and NOAA tell the still unfolding story of disappearing oil, at least on the water's surface. USF's Dr. Chalman, who says much of the surface oil has disappeared. But where did the rest go?
On the shore, the effects are immediately obvious because you have an oil spill, animals can get covered, and we saw some of that. What happens offshore is not that clear.
USF scientists say as much as 184 million gallons of oil spewed into the Gulf, and some of it is suspended in the water column in underwater plumes. The next step is to figure out just how much and where the oil is lurking.